We'll guide you through how to write an arch in Corel Draw. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many designers want to create curved or arched text for logos, badges, labels, and decorative designs. To begin this tutorial, open Corel Draw on your computer. Click New Document to create a new file so you have a blank canvas ready for your design work. Select the Text tool from the toolbar to enable text input mode. Click on the canvas and type your text, for example Lorem Ipsum, so the text appears clearly in the workspace. Change the text color by choosing a color from the color palette to make the text stand out visually. Next, select the Ellipse tool from the toolbar to create a circular path. Click and drag on the canvas while holding the Ctrl key to draw a perfect circle with even proportions. Once the circle is created, select the text on the canvas to prepare it for path alignment. Click Text on the top menu to open text-related options. Select Fit Text to Path to attach the text to the circle and convert it into a curved layout. Move the cursor along the circle and adjust the text position as needed until it follows the curve smoothly. Click the text again to edit its content. For example, change it to write an arch in Corel Draw so the message matches your design goal. After editing the wording, adjust the text position again based on your preference to achieve balanced spacing and alignment. Select all objects on the canvas to prepare them for separation. Click Object on the top menu to access object editing commands. Select Break Text Apart to separate the text from the circular path so it becomes an independent object. Delete the circle to leave only the arched text as the finished result. This process allows you to create curved typography efficiently without complex tools. By following each step carefully, you can control both the shape and placement of the text. Adjustments can be made at any stage to refine spacing and readability. This technique is useful for logos, badges, and decorative headings.